The issue of global warming and climate change has transcended beyond mere buzzwords and has become an urgent concern for various stakeholders. Managing waste is a critical aspect of facility management, necessitating a focus on the three fundamental pillars of reuse, reduction, and recycling. Waste management starts with effective sanitary, wet, dry, chemical, hazardous, and e-waste segregation make a difference. Organic waste composting reduces waste and creates nutrient-rich soil. It's a win-win for your facility and the environment. Regular waste management audits are crucial in pursuing zero-waste facilities. Such audits help facilities identify opportunities for waste reduction, thereby contributing to the goal of zero waste. Sustainability, another vital component of waste management, is equally critical in ensuring the efficient use of resources. Designing and implementing appropriate frameworks that can manage waste effectively, thus reducing the environmental footprint and improving operational efficiency. In the present day, real-time bin monitoring technology detects and notifies when waste containers have reached their total capacity. Moreover, implementing on-request bin pickup services creates a cleaner society. In light of this, facility managers must prioritize implementing sustainable waste management practices and increase awareness in their facilities to mitigate the impact of waste on the environment. Follow My FM Guru for more tips related to facility management.